Hi, welcome to the demonstration video of Odoo's application website Dashboard Ninja powered by Ksolves. In this video, we will understand a very important feature, that is the powerful date filters. In this video, we'll see how these date filters work and how exactly we filter out data as per the required periods, right? So you can see we already have given you 20 dynamic date filters today, this week, this month, this quarter, this year, and so on. We can choose any filter as per our choice for which we want to see the dashboard data on the web page. Let's say I want to see the data of this month. I will be clicking on this month only, and this data will be refreshing immediately. So now you can see the database has changed and we can see the dashboard as 2, 2.4, 42 employees. Now I'll go to this quarter. Let's say we can see the noticeable difference as well, right? Now I'll go with this year maybe. So as you can see, all these data filters, all these date filters definitely work accordingly and provide you suitable results. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this will be of great help. For any further queries or questions, you can reach us at sales@ksolves.com. Thank you.